Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be introducing Shur-Co's newest remote, the ShurLink Pro. The all-new ShurLink wireless system introduces innovative, new properties while retaining your favorite features from its predecessor, the SMARTransmitter series. ShurLink wireless system is replacing the SMART2 remote with the ShurLink Pro. All of this information is also available in our ShurLink flyer. Feel free to follow along with me as I discuss the features and benefits of the new ShurLink Pro. Based on the most advanced version of Bluetooth technology, ShurLink delivers greater reliability and range. The Pro remote continues to offer express operation, allowing for the simple single-touch control you have become accustomed to. The ShurLink utilizes a single communication platform for all devices, and a new phone app brings the ability for customization and configuration to your ShurLink system, as well being able to operate your devices. The ShurLink Pro and phone app will all use the same ShurLink wireless system, making it easy to mix and match any combination of remotes, apps, and receivers on a single trailer or train. The ShurLink Pro features a 1.7-inch color display, 6 buttons, an internal LiPo battery and improved battery life, charging cradle via USB Type-C, positional feedback of the tarp or trap with encoder applications. You can also set end stops and 2 mid stops via the remote. It has longer range. You can organize your paired devices onto 3 separate pages to avoid accidental operation of a device, and you can customize your channel descriptions via the phone app. With the ShurLink, you have a wide selection of receivers available for almost any application. You can operate your tarps, hoppers, and mini modules. The new auxiliary receiver allows secondary inputs for customer system or remotely wired buttons. And the new power receiver can handle up to 20 amp outputs to control higher powered devices without motor solenoid. I've also mentioned the new ShurLink app. With the app, you can configure your remote and receivers to your liking. For example, you can adjust the sleep timer on your ShurLink Pro remote. With your receiver, you can customize your device and operation descriptions, adjust the stall torque, express mode, adjust time lockout, and view your receiver's total runtime. You can completely control your device through the phone app, just like you would your remote. At this time, the app is only available for Apple iOS phones, but Android availability will come later this fall. And we'll have more videos available later to discuss the ins and outs of the app. This video will be available to watch again if you need to review this info at a later time, or like I mentioned at the beginning, you can refer to your ShurLink flyer as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.